and welcome back. How are you today? I'm happy. Okay, let's get started with chapter 4. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, now we have the body. The body. Okay. Can you spell these body parts? So we have a writing task. Okay, let's see now. What are they? They are eyes. Let's write eyes. Okay, so we need E, Y, E, that's I, 1, eyes. 1, 2, eyes. Let's put S. Okay, excellent. Eyes. Now, are you ready? Let's write for here. Let's go. Okay, now let's practice to say these words. This is a nose. Nose. Good. This is an ear. Ear. Perfect. This is a mouth. Mouth. Not mouse. No. Mouth. The mouth. Okay. Good job. And this is hair. Hair. Okay. Perfect. Let's continue here. Can you draw a line to match the pictures to the words? Okay, let's see. What are they? Are they head, feet, arms, hands, or legs? They are feet. Feet. Let's draw a line. Feet. Are you ready? Your turn. Good job. Excellent. Okay, now we have to write. Write. Can you fill in the blanks? Let's see. Okay. Oh, look, it's a giraffe. Giraffe. Okay, so this is Grace the giraffe. Giraffes are very tall. Very tall. Okay, very tall. Oh, we have a blank. Very tall. What can we say? They are very tall. Nose? No. Very tall animals. They are very tall animals. That's right. Animals. They are very tall animals. Grace has got four long, four long. What does she have four of? One, two, three, four. Four long. La, 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 la. Let's see. Oh, legs. Okay, let's write. Good job. And her is very long too. And her, hmm, what do you think? Let's write. She can see with her big brown. She can see the big brown. That's right. She can hear with her big. What are these? With her big. Okay. She can't write or draw. She can't because she doesn't have any. She doesn't have. Grace the giraffe is an amazing animal. Do you like giraffes? Do you like giraffes? Hmm. Teacher, yes, I like giraffes. What color are they? What color? Hmm. The giraffe is blue. No, it's not blue. The giraffe is. Good job. Yellow and brown. Good. Okay, let's see our next task. So we have to see here. Are you ready? I, number one, I with my eyes. I run. I run with my eyes. No. I look, see with my eyes. Yes, I see with my eyes. Two, I with my feet. I listen with my feet. I, hmm, do I kick? Do I smile? Do I wave? That's right. Okay, number three. I with my hand. With my hand. I. Okay, number four. I with my legs. Here we can see Grace's legs. I with my legs. That's right. Good job. Number five. I with my ears. Right? And six. I with my mouth. Mouth. Okay, excellent. Good job. Well done. Let's see the next page. We have to listen and color. Wow, it's a monster. Okay, let's listen and color. Does it say the monster's eyes are blue? Blue eyes, color. Okay, are you ready? Let's listen and color. Ready, go!
Chapter 4 Listening 1. Listen and color. 1. Do you see the monster? Wow! Look! The monster has 5 eyes. Can you color the eyes red? Yes, red eyes. 2. Look at the monster's short legs. Can you color the legs green? Green legs. 3. Can you find the monster's mouth? Oh, look! He has his tongue out. Can you color the tongue and mouth yellow? 4. Let's color the monster's arms blue. The monster's arms are blue. 5. Finally, let's color the body. The monster's body is orange.
Okay, excellent. Don't forget the tip. This is a tongue. Tongue. Can you say tongue? Good job. Now, can you name the monster? What is the monster called? The monster's name is. I'm going to call him Mike. Mike the monster. What is your monster? Can you write? Okay, excellent job today. Well done. Fantastic. We have finished chapter 4. So, goodbye. See you next class for chapter 5. See you.